guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amarta Rupani and in today's video I'm going to talk about Student Direct Stream program, which is one of the newest programs for foreign students. And guys, before you watch my video, I would like to recommend you guys to watch my previous video regarding student visa or study permit so that the terms that I will be using in this video becomes easier for you to understand. So anyways, in today's video I'm going to discuss what SDS is, what are its requirements and how to apply for it. So without wasting any time, let's just start. Okay, the Student Direct Stream is a faster study permit processing program for those who are applying to study in Canada at a post-secondary designated learning institution. Because most of the SDS applications are processed by IRCC within 20 calendar days if an applicant meets all the eligibility requirements. And guys, for this program, the applications can only be submitted electronically. Now, one of the most important criteria for this program to apply is the students needs to be from these countries, which means you cannot apply to this program if you are currently living outside of the listed countries. Okay, now let's walk through the number of steps to apply. And guys, it is super easy and super straightforward to apply for this program. It's same as regular study permit, but there is a little bit of difference that I will explain shortly. Okay, so these are main steps that you need to follow in order to apply for this program. So let's talk about the first requirement, which is language proficiency test. For language proficiency, you need to write IELTS academic exam. And guys, for each skill, you will require minimum 6 or more score. And guys, this is one of the main differences in regular study permit and this one, because if your score is less than 6, then your application will not be considered for this program. Okay, now let's move on to the next step, which is obtain a letter of acceptance from designated learning institute. And guys, this step is same as regular study permit, which I've already explained in my previous video, and the link is provided in the description box, so guys, go back and check it out. Okay, now let's move to the third step, which is pay the tuition fee for your first year of study. Okay, so this is another additional requirement for this program, and guys, you will have to provide a proof that you have paid a full tuition fees for your first year of study. Okay, so the next step is all about gathering all the required documents that you will have by this point. So this is the complete list of all the documents that will be required to submit your application. Only 3 requirements are different for this program, such as the proof that you have paid the tuition fee for your first year of study. The second is GIC, which is Guaranteed Investment Certificate. Guys, you must purchase a GIC certificate of $10,000, that is Canadian. GIC is same as fixed deposit account that you have to open up before you land in Canada. And guys, you will have to deposit 10k Canadian dollars for you to use as a student when you will come to Canada. And guys, it has guaranteed rate of return for a fixed time, and you will have access to these funds when you will land in Canada. And all other requirements are same as regular study permit program, but the IELTS score needs to be minimum 6 for each skill. Now let's move on to the last step, which is apply for a study permit. And guys, this step is exactly the same as regular study permit online application that I've already explained into my previous video. So guys, you can go back and check it out. I've provided the link in description box below. Also, the application fees for this program is same as a study permit, which is $150 for the application and $85 for the biometrics. Okay guys, so that was pretty much it for today, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know in the comment box. I will be more than happy to answer all of your questions as soon as possible. And if you guys like this video, please give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe my channel, because there's a lot more coming up for you guys. Till then, you take care and I'll see you again.